The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a game changer. Rumors suggest it will feature a larger screen, a powerful 1-inch sensor, and improved 4000 recording at 240 fps. With better autofocus and eye-enhanced features, this pocket-sized camera could deliver professional-grade video quality for vloggers, travelers, and content creators. One of the most noticeable changes is the design. Reports indicate a slightly larger frame, weighing about 190 grams. This could make room for a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, an upgrade from the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. The new screen is rumored to have a 480 by 800 resolution with 800 nits of brightness, making it easier to see in bright outdoor conditions. Improved button placement and a better grip texture are also expected, ensuring comfort during long shooting sessions. The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This means sharper image quality, better low-light performance, and a higher ISO range spanning from 50 to 6400 for video and up to 16000 for stills. With 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording, color accuracy and dynamic range should see major improvements. Autofocus is expected to get a boost too, with phase detection and AI tracking to eliminate focus hunting issues from previous models. A new processor could handle higher data rates, real-time HDR previews, and advanced computational photography. Smart features are also set to improve. Active Track 7.0 is rumored to combine phase detection and eye tracking, delivering smoother subject tracking. This is a big deal for vloggers and action shooters who need precise focus on moving subjects. The gimbal stabilization system might also get a major upgrade, blending mechanical and electronic stabilization for ultra-smooth footage even during fast motion shots or action scenes. Another big selling point is video performance. The Pocket 4 is expected to offer 4000 recording at 240 fps, doubling the slow-motion capabilities of the Pocket 3. With a 1-inch sensor, creators can expect sharper details, better low-light performance, and an enhanced dynamic range. These upgrades could make the Pocket 4 a must-have tool for those who want cinematic quality footage in a compact package. Battery life is always a concern with handheld cameras, but DJI is rumored to make significant improvements. A more efficient power system could allow for longer recording sessions, even with a larger screen and a more powerful processor. Fast charging is another upgrade, with reports suggesting a full charge in just 25 minutes using DJI's PD charger, a big improvement over the 32-minute charge time of the Pocket 3. Heat management might also see enhancements, preventing overheating during extended use. As for the release date, the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027, following DJI's typical 3-year cycle. Pricing is rumored at $699 for the standard version and $799 for the creator combo. While this marks a price increase from the Pocket 3, the upgraded features could justify the cost. Casual users might still prefer the Pocket 3, but serious creators will likely see the Pocket 4 as a worthy investment. Since these details are based on leaks and speculation, it's best to wait for DJI's official announcement before making any decisions. But if even half of these rumors turn out to be true, the Pocket 4 could redefine portable video production. What feature excites you the most about the DJI Pocket 4? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.